Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights. I'm your host, David, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: safe and reliable asbestos removal services, specifically focusing on our team right here in Adamstown, NSW. You might have seen our blog post, Asbestos Removal Newcastle, Safe and Reliable Services in Adamstown, NSW, and I'm here to give you the key takeaways. We understand that finding asbestos in your property can be concerning, but rest assured, our fully licensed and certified team handles everything. We follow strict safety protocols, ensuring all asbestos is removed and disposed of responsibly, protecting your family and our environment. We pride ourselves on efficiency, prompt responses, and minimal disruption. With our deep local expertise in Newcastle's buildings and common asbestos risks, you can trust us to deliver reliable solutions that prioritize safety and compliance every step of the way. So, why should you trust Asbestos Removal Newcastle? Well, when it comes to your health, you don't want to take chances. Our experts are certified, using eco-friendly disposal methods and offering custom solutions for every need, whether it's a small home project or a large industrial site. We offer quick, disruption-free service backed by our local knowledge. But what should you do if you suspect asbestos? Don't disturb it. That's the first, most critical step. Instead, contact a certified service like ours. We'll carry out an inspection and provide expert advice. You're probably also wondering about the timeline. For smaller residential jobs, it might be just a few hours, but larger commercial removals could span several days. We'll always provide you with an estimated timeline before we begin any work. Now, let's talk about safety and what happens next. Is asbestos removal safe? Absolutely, when performed by licensed professionals like us. Our team follows strict protocols to minimize risks to you and the environment. And once we've safely removed the asbestos, it's disposed of according to stringent environmental regulations, guaranteeing it doesn't pose future risks. A common question we get is, can I stay in my home during removal? In most cases, it's best for you and your family to vacate the premises for safety. We work efficiently and will let you know when it's safe to return. Trust is key in this process. By choosing our trustworthy services in Adamstown, you're not just investing in peace of mind, you're safeguarding your family's health and even increasing your property's value. Don't wait. Book a call with our asbestos removal team today if you need property advice.